my name is Tanisha, but y'all can call me Miss T for short. And today we're going to be learning about the regions of Texas. So like I just asked y'all about where y'all have been in Texas, obviously we heard Houston and all around the places. So let's just jump in. Okay, so also on your notebook around here, or not on your notebook, I'm sorry, your paper, we're just going to be talking about those things as climate, landform, vegetation, and you can just write it down and write down your notes for the next assignment. So right now we're going to be learning about the mountains and basins. This region is located near the western parts of Texas, which is right over here in this area. And the climates here are really hot and dry, a little bit of a desert type, you know, kind of hot, really hot. With the mountains, the landform here, the mountains are really, really tall and rocky areas that rise high up. And a basin is a low flat area between the mountains. And this area also does not get a lot of rain like we do here. And about this more, it's filled with desert plants. Animals also, the plants and animals here have to learn to live with this dry weather. And the working life is mostly ranching and oil field here. Okay.
Did they get that written down?
Oh, did y'all get that written down?
For vegetation.
Okay, so what do we think vegetation is? What do we think that word means?
Water, the water, rain, food.
Okay, so we're thinking of a lot of stuff, which is really good. But for vegetation, it means just the plants, the trees, the rocks. So it would be right near this area you would kind of write down. You don't have to write down all of it. You can sum it up in your own words if you would like to. And that's all. For the climate, do we guys know what climate is? Yes.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Did you, Rachel?
Doesn't it have rising actions and stuff like that, like from third grade?
Yes, that's a different climate though.
The
Yes.
weather.
Yes, climate basically equals weather. That's kind of what it means. So we're just talking about the weather over here and how it feels.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. And so this is actually El Paso. It is in the mountains and basin regions. As we can see, the mountains here are really tall, and the high grassy area feels just like I said. And over here, really low. So yeah, this is El Paso.
Oh, they did it for you.
Okay.
Yes, got it.
Okay, so now we're on the back to the North Central Plains. The North Central Plain, this region has a lot of rolling hills and oak forests around here. That would be for vegetation. And the climate here is very dry. They also, around this area, as the green shaded, there's tornadoes a lot around here.
We just were studying that.
So, and yes, around this area, it gets more rainfall in the east, but less in the west. So it's about an average amount. The state, actually, do we guys know the Texas state flower? You.
The bonnet.
Yes, it's grown in this area around here. So yes, animals you can also find around here are bobcats and roadrunners. And the types of farmers, not the types of farmers, I'm sorry. The farmers grow peaches, pecans, and cotton around in this area also. The north central region of Texas has hot summers and mild winters with decent amount of rainfall each year. Most people in this company, most people work at oil field or gas companies in here. And like I said, the green shaded area is where this region is located.
What's the
at.
vegetation in this area?
The vegetation in this area?
Peaches, pecans,
Peaches.
Oh, rolling hill of, no.
Peaches, pecans, and
Oak
what?
firs and all that.
Rolling hills.
So for climate, we're gonna put up for climate, like I said guys, the climate is a very dry area and it also has hot summers, mild winters with a decent amount of rainfall. And for vegetation, you can put an oak forest, rolling hills, peaches, pecans, and cotton. And for landforms, okay, it will be rolling hills. Okay. Rolling hills, sorry about that. Yeah. You need to see, I'm sorry. Did you get it? So for vegetation, it can be peaches, pecans, cotton.
You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, so have we all got it, guys? Okay. Let's go down. It's good. Now, this is located at Fort Worth, which is where the region is located at. And this is just a popular area, well, not a popular area, a popular location. And yeah, as you can see over here, like I described, you have oak forest trees over here. You can't really see that bad. Well, you can't really see, I'm sorry about that. But we have oak forest right here. And yeah, this is just a popular area. Have any of y'all been to Fort Worth, actually? Okay.
I
Okay.
don't know.
Yeah, I know.
It's in Dallas.
Oh, I've been there. Oh, everywhere.
Fort Worth is near, it's kind of near,
Yeah.
it's kind of near Dallas. It's about 2 more hours. And you just keep on going straight.
Isn't that Oh, then
Oh, she had a question. Oh, you didn't? Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. So now we're on to the Great Plains. So the Great Plains, it's mostly a flat open, and it's mostly a flat open area, and it's commonly found with large grassy landforms, and it has a balanced climate, with dry and hot summer, and with cold winters. The dry, yes.
they didn't get a paper.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well,
Oh,
they just walked in.
oh, okay.
So don't worry about it.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's fine. You can just sit here and listen. It's good. I'm glad you're here with us today. So yeah, but like I was getting back into it, the air is dry. The air is dry there, which could lead into a dust storm. And do we know the capital of Texas? And it is located in this area too. So the common foods that grows here are wheat, corn, and cotton, as in the other one we saw. People, the northern area and the central areas as shaded in this blue, and people usually work in farming or ranching here. Okay, did we all get that, guys?
What was the landform?
The landform for over here will be a large grassy landform, as over here. And for the climate, you can say it has a hot summer and with cold winters. And for the vegetation, you can put wheat, corn, or cotton, or all together, if you would like to.
What is landform?
Are you asking me what landform is, or for that one? Okay, so landform for that one will be a large grassy area. Okay, we're all good here? Okay, and for the vegetation, as I said, will be wheat, corn, and cotton. So, where do we think this is at?
It looks like Houston.
Houston? Not quite.
Texas.
Texas.
What about you?